Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 7 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Revti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve exercise 20B of chapter 20 mensuration. One question is written here. Question number 3. A side is 5 meter long and 1.3 meter wide. A border of width 25 cm is printed along its sides. Find the cost of printing the border at rupees 1 per 10 cm square. Students, here rate of printing the border is given per 10 cm square. So find the area of border in centimeter. Draw a figure of showing length of 5 meter, width 1.3 meter, border is border 25 cm. 25 cm all around this side, and this side. Now length equal to 5 meter. 5 meter change into meter by multiply by 100, so 500 centimeter. Meter change into centimeter. Breadth 1.3 meter change into centimeter, so 130 centimeter. Now area of the side equal to L into B. L into B equal to 500 cm into 130 cm equal to 13 5 is 65 and 2 plus 1 30 cm square. Now given heading, right heading, side without border, side without border, length 506 cm, subtract 25 cm this side and 25 cm that side. So 25 plus 25 cm 50 cm equal to 450 cm. Breadth is 130 cm minus 50 cm. 25 cm this side and 25 cm this side. 25 plus 25 50 cm. So 130 cm minus 50 cm equal to 30. 100 minus 20, so 80 cm. Now area equal to L into B, so 450 cm, 450 cm into 80 cm. Multiply 450 into 80, 450 into 80, 101020. 5 8 जा 40 of 0 carry 4. 4 8 जा 32. 32 plus 4 36. 36 cm square. Now area of the border. Area of the border equal to 65,000 minus 36,000. cm square minus 36 cm square equal to 30 cm square. 15 minus 6 9 and 5 minus 3 2. 29,000 cm square. Now the cost of printing the border at rupees 1 per 10 cm square. So unity method, since the cost of 10 cm square is rupees 1. Therefore the cost of 1 cm square equal to rupees 1 by 10. Therefore the cost of 29,000 cm square equal to rupees 1 by 10 into 29,000. 10210 cancel equal to rupees 2,900. Answer of this question. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 4. Is written on this board. In this question, a rectangular grassy lawn measuring 38 meter by 25 meter has been surrounded externally by 2.5 meter wide path. 2.5 meter wide path. Calculate the cost of graveling. Calculate the cost of graveling the path at the rate of rupees 120 per meter square. So draw a figure of grassy lawn. Length 38 meter and breadth 25 meter. Length 38 meter and breadth 25 meter has been surrounded externally. 2.5 meter path. 2.5 meter this side, and this side also. 2.5 meter. Students, now find the cost of graveling the path at the rate of rupees 120 per meter square. So given length of lawn, length of rectangular grassy lawn is 38 meter, breadth is 25 meter. So area of the lawn area of the lawn equal to L into B. L into B equal to 38 meter into 25 meter. Multiply 38 multiply 25. 8 5 is 40 of 0 carry 4. 3 5 is 15 plus 4 19. 8 2 is 16 of 6 carry 1. 3 2 is 6 plus 1 7. 0 9 plus 6 15 of 5 carry 1. 1 1 2 plus 7 9. 950 equal to 950 meter square. Now lawn width path length equal to 38 plus 2.5 this side and 2.5 that side, so 5 meter equal to 38 plus 5 43 meter, and breadth equal to 25 plus 5 equal to 30 meter. Now area of the lawn width path equal to L into B. That means 43 meter into 30 meter equal to 0, 3 3 is 9, 3 3 is 9 and 4 3 is 12. 1290 meter square. Now find area of the path. Area of the lawn width path equal to 1290 meter square minus area of the lawn equal to 950 meter square. Subtract it. 0 minus 0, 9 minus 5 4, and 12 minus 9 3. 340 meter square. Therefore cost of graveling the path equal to area of the path equal to 340 multiply rate of 1 meter 125 meter square, so rupees 120 multiply 340 multiply 120. 340 multiply 120. 0 times 2 times 0, 4 2 is 8, 3 2 is 6. Now next 1 time 0 4 3 0 0 8 6 plus 4 10 of 0 carry 1 3 plus 1 4 equal to rupees 40,800 answer of this question. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 7 written on this board. In this question, the length and breadth of a park in the ratio 2:1 and its perimeter is 240 meter. A path 2 meter wide runs inside it along its boundary. Find the cost of paving the path at rate rupees 80 per meter square. Students, a path is 2:1 length and breadth path. The length and breadth of the path is 2:1. So let length is 2x and breadth is x. And 2 meter wide path. Two-meter wide path runs inside it along its boundary. So let L equal to 2x and breadth B equal to x. According to question, perimeter equal to 240 meter. That implies perimeter equal to 2 into L plus B equal to 240 meter. That implies 2 into 2x plus x equal to 240 meter. 2x plus x, 3x, 3x into 2, 6x equal to 240. That implies x equal to 240 by 6 equal to 6 4 the 24. So 40 meter. Now find length equal to 2x equal to 2 into 40 equal to 80 meter. Breadth equal to x equal to 40 meter. Area of the park equal to L into B equal to 80 meter into 40 meter equal to 8 for the 32 and double 0 3,200 meter square. Area of the park. Park without path. Park without path. Heading. Length equal to 80 meter minus 2 meter this side and 2 meter that side. So 4 meter equal to 76 meter. And breadth equal to 40 minus 4. 40 minus 4 equal to 40 minus 4 equal to 36 meter. Now area of the park without path equal to L into B, 76 meter into 36 meter equal to multiply 76 and 36. 6 6 are 36, of 6 carry 3. 7 6 are 42 plus 3 45. 6 3 are 18, of 8 carry 1. 7 3 are 21 plus 1 22. 6 5 plus 8 13, of 3 carry 1. 4 plus 1 5 plus 2 7 and 2. 2736 meter square. Now area of the path. Area of the path equal to area of the park 3200 meter square minus 2736 meter square equal to, subtract that, 10 minus 10 minus 6 4 and 9 minus 3 6 and 11 minus 7 2. 10 minus 6 4, 9 minus 3 6 and 31. 11 minus 7 4. So 464 meter square. Now find cost of the paving the road path. 464 into rate is rupees 80. Multiply 464 multiply 8 and keep 0. 8 4 are 32. Carry 3. 6 8 are 48. 3 51. Carry 5. 4 8 are 32. 5 37. Equal to rupees 37,120. 37,120 answer. Friends, understand it, write it. Today your homework is solve exercise 20B, question number 1 to 7. Thank you. That's all.